Right, we're at the holiday cottage and we've just had these two. There's one there, one in the background that isn't quite so keen. Lovely parrots come to visit us. Now they decided to nick off. They wanted some food, but I didn't have any food for them. This one came and sat on the table with me. Maybe, there it is. It says, I'll come and talk to you. Do you have a name? Do you want some food? No doubt it would want some food. So that's a lovely Australian parrot, bush parrot, wild parrot, and it says that I should be feeding it. Do you have a name? Do you want some food? You want some food? If you think, oh, it's gone, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.